Hello, welcome to Click2Cloud. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to access and migrate VM from Openstack to OTC for Linux through Cloud's Brain. Cloud Brain is a multi-cloud management platform. Click2Cloud Migration is a managed service offering that provides the solutions for various cloud migration needs. Go to the Click2Cloud's Cloud's Brain URL and enter the login credentials. After successful login, user will redirect to the dashboard of Cloud's Brain. Go to Migration menu, click on Migration submenu. Here, user will redirect to Migration homepage. Select Cloud to Cloud Migration and click on Start Migration button. Select Source Cloud as Openstack from the drop-down list. After selecting Source Cloud, select Provider from Account list, which we have already added from Compute section will be reflected here. To add Target Cloud, click on Select Target, and select Target Cloud and Account. Select OTC as Target Cloud and Account. Select Zone, here I am selecting Available Zone from OTC. For Openstack, no need of zone selection. Click on Select VM for Migration tab, list of VMs will be displayed here. Here user can only migrate VMs which are in running state. Here, user can also select target instance type, target instance configuration, for migrated VM. Click on Apply tab. After selecting VMs, migration can be performed in two ways: immediate migration, and schedule migration. To start migration immediately, select Immediate slider and click on Start Migration tab. To schedule migration, click slider to right side, select date and time when user have to schedule migration. Also, user can start migration by selecting either image only or image plus instance. In image, here only image of VM will get migrated on destination cloud. And in image plus instance, user will get image and running instance of selected VM at destination cloud. Click on Start Migration tab. A pop-up generates for selecting target network details. Here user will select VPC, subnet, and security groups. Confirmation pop-up will get displayed. Click on Yes tab. Migration started successfully, message will get displayed. Click on OK button. After migration started successfully, user will get redirected to notification page, where user can track progress of ongoing migration. User can also download the logs of migration, by clicking on Download Log File icon. For more updates on videos, stay tuned with Click2Cloud.net. Thank you.